In this video, we'll go over how to use the Search and Replace tool. The Search and Replace tool is only available to trained AEM authors. It will allow users to search for common Ryerson branded terms and custom terms and replace them with updated terminology. Before you begin, in sites with multiple authors, we recommend that teams discuss who will make the replacements. Context must be considered for branded keyword replacements. Searches are case sensitive. Example, search Ryerson with a capital R and not Ryerson with a lowercase r. Check your spelling. Do not add extra spaces before or after your search or replacement terms. What the tool can replace: web page titles and descriptions, text content in most components, DAM asset titles, descriptions, and keywords. What the tool cannot replace: tags, paths and links configured in edit dialog excluding WYSIWYG or rich text, HTML snippet content, custom fields, file, folder names and page names, content in uploaded documents such as PDFs, Word documents, etc. Important note: please do not use the Search and Replace tool for file names and folders. Please use the Move Rename tool as you normally would. Another important note: there is no need to replace emails. We will be the ones to handle this. To check if the term is in a file name or not, always review the excerpt column in the tool. Now, when you log into AEM, you'll see Search and Replace. Click on it. Next, click Search and Replace Browser. On the left is where you can search for the Ryerson term and replace it with your choice of replacement term. Let's break this section down. Under Search Type, you can select Local if you want to view all of the pages that contain the term within all of the sites you have access to edit, or you can select Global if you want to view all of the pages within all of AEM, including the sites you do not have access to, that contain the Ryerson branded term you are searching for. In this example, we'll select Local. Under Paths, you can leave this blank if you would like the tool to search all of your sites for the Ryerson term. If you would prefer to look for the term from a specific page or site, click on the check mark and select a path. In this example, I'll leave it blank so the tool can search for the term within all of the sites I have access to. Under Exclude Paths, you can select which paths you would like to exclude from your search. I will leave this blank. Under Search Term, enter in the Ryerson branded term you would like to search for. Again, this is case sensitive, so make sure to capitalize letters if need be. Under Replace With, enter the updated term. This is also case sensitive. Then you have the option to search for the term in the News, Events, Security, and/or Biography templates. Click Run Search. Results will show up on the right. Under Page is a list of pages which contain that term. The component column lists which component the term is located in. The instances column is the number of times that the term appears in that particular component. And the excerpt column is where you will find the term. Remember to check if the replacement is valid by viewing the excerpt for each result item. Once you confirm which terms you'd like to replace, click on its checkbox. If all of the terms on the page can be replaced, you can simply click on the checkbox at the top called Page, and it will select all of the results on the page. Next, click on the Add to Replacement Queue button located in the top left. This will schedule the terms to be replaced after 10 minutes. Click OK. Then click on the Adobe Experience Manager logo in the top left corner. Then click on the Replacement Queue console. And you'll see all of the pages waiting for replacement here, including how long it will take for the term to be replaced on your site. If you would like to take a page out of the queue, click on the checkbox. And then click on the blue Remove Pending Replacements button in the top left corner. Click OK. If you have a term that you would like to replace across all of Ryerson, not just the sites you have access to, you'll have to do a global search. To do this, click on the Search and Replace browser console. Under Search Type, click Global. Enter in your search term and replacement term. Check off if you would like to include the news, events, security, and/or biography templates in your search. Then click Run Search. Then click on the Request Global Replacement button near the top right corner. You'll be brought to a form on the web support site. Fill it in and hit Submit. The submission will be reviewed before adding it to the tool, at which point other users will be able to replace your term with your specified replacement for it. The last console we'll go over is the replacement requests from other AEM authors. This console displays terms and their replacements that other content authors have found on your site and have requested that you review them to replace. For example, when Rams will rebrand itself, you will see it here so that everyone can replace it on their site. If you approve, click on the checkbox and click Add to Replacement Queue. Click OK. It will take about 10 minutes for the new term to appear on your site.